Welcome, fifth graders, to week 6. I'm here to give you a quick overview of what to expect, what you need to complete for this week. So when you bring up the science course page, it'll take you to the updates first, and you're going to want to click the like button to be marked present for attendance each day. So it's already up for today, Cinco de Mayo, 5/5/20. On the right-hand side, you'll notice 2 assignments for this week. Assignment 1, Study Island, Force and Motion, and Assignment 2, Calculating Net Force, okay? Technically, we didn't have school yesterday. It was a no school day, so there's only 2 assignments this week instead of 3. Okay, so use these quick links here for upcoming. They'll only be visible for a short amount of time, for about that 1 week. So you can see here Sunday, May 10th is the due date. These will no longer be accessible if you're doing this after May 10th. So to get to the assignments at any time, you'll click on the left side here for materials, units, and you'll see 3 units open. We spent time in Earth's surface, we spent time on Earth's resources, and this week and next week we'll be working on force and motion. How and why do objects move? So go ahead and click into the force and motion unit. Your first link attachment here is a discussion board, questions for Mrs. Rondo, week 6, 7, and 8. Click into here. Just a couple of reminders. We'll be working on this physical science unit through the end of the year. Work at your own pace. This week there's only 2 assignments because we had a shorter week. Next week you can expect 3. I'll be available from 10 to 3:30 each day. Remember, on a normal week, 3 contacts with me is required to get your full attendance. For this week, it'll just be 2 contacts because we have a shortened week. So make sure you're reaching out, connecting with me by clicking the like button, emailing, Schoology message, turning in your assignments. All those things count as contact. So reach out. Also, use this discussion board if there's questions. You guys can help each other with this, or I will be monitoring and answering as well. Okay. Excuse me. Back to the force and motion unit folder. After the discussion board, you'll see our learning targets and vocab. So this week, you can see our learning goals. They're also posted on each assignment. What's the direction for that assignment? We'll look at week 6. Clicking into the week 6 folder. First thing you're going to do is watch this video on Newton's 3 laws of motion. Some of it might sound familiar. Back in 2nd grade, you started thinking about pushes and pulls as forces. Now we're going to look at how those forces can impact motion. So take a look at this video. Then your first assignment number 1, Study Island, Force and Motion. You'll log into Study Island and complete that lesson. Please do the lesson first, then do practice or game mode, okay? Try your best to earn that blue ribbon by getting 75% or higher. Read through these directions. It's step by step, exactly what you need to do, okay? Back to week 6. Your assignment 2, calculating net force. Okay. You can see our learning goal at the top. Read through step by step. Again, there's a video here for you to view on balanced and unbalanced forces. There are some examples I'd like you to try for calculating net force. When you click on this document, it's going to force you to make a copy. I know in previous weeks, people were struggling with having access and knowing how to make copies. So this time I'll show you. If you click calculating net force, it's going to automatically make you make a copy. You won't see the work that you need to do until you click that blue make a copy button. And that will be something that allows you to type right away. You won't have to make your own copy. It's going to make you do it right away. Once you've completed those questions on calculating net force, go ahead and upload your work to Schoology. Click that gray Submit Assignment button, and I'll be looking for those to come in. I did complete a few examples, and I will post more or go over the assignment more. If you need some individual help, reach out. We can always do a Google Meet, work through a few problems face-to-face as well. Okay, so that's assignment 2. And that's it for this week. I kept it a little bit shorter, just 2 assignments instead of 3, because we do have a shorter week.